Metaphors are a powerful tool for any hypnotist, be it to create deeper trance states or to boost the impact of your hypnosis. Combined with the technique of nested loops, this is the holy grail for creating suggestions that directly impact the subconscious mind. Hi, my name is Tom. I am a hypnosis master trainer with the World Hypnosis Organization and speaker of this year's UK Hypnosis Convention. In my presentation, I will talk about how to design powerful metaphors for your hypnosis, design nested loops to increase the impact of your stories, and use narratives to enrich your hypnosis practice. You will learn how to use the power of metaphors in hypnosis and design your own stories for selected problems and solutions. You will use impressive allegories for fast interventions and improve your communication skills with modern techniques. And last not least, you will be able to better support your clients in their personal development. I can't wait to see you in London.